The Dinosaur Spring Rider. This isn't your average jungle gym dweller. This custom-designed outdoor fun features a friendly dinosaur that will take your child's imagination on a Jurassic journey. Made with durable materials that can withstand even the most enthusiastic explorers, this spring rider provides safe, bouncy fun for little ones. The Dinosaur Spring Rider is perfect for parks, playgrounds, backyards, or anywhere a little prehistoric fun is needed. And because it's customizable, you can choose the perfect dinosaur to match your space, from the mighty T-Rex to the friendly Triceratops.